Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research and productivity tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with Shopify Lite. Shopify Lite offers a streamlined and budget-friendly approach to e-commerce. For a low monthly fee, you gain access to essential selling tools, enabling you to incorporate sales functionalities into an existing website or social media platform. This is a significant advantage for businesses that don't require a full-fledged online store but still want to offer products or services for sale online. Instead of building a complete webshop from the ground up using the standard Shopify platform, Lite allows you to integrate buy buttons directly into your current website, regardless of the platform it's built on. This provides a seamless purchasing experience for your customers. These buttons are customizable to match your branding and website aesthetics, maintaining a consistent look and feel across your online presence. Beyond website integration, Shopify Lite empowers you to sell through Facebook and Instagram. You can connect your Facebook business page and create a shop tab where customers can browse and buy directly through Facebook. Similarly, Instagram integration allows for tagged product posts, making it easy for your followers to purchase items they see in your feed. This direct sales channel streamlines the buying process, potentially boosting conversion rates. Managing inventory and orders is simplified with Shopify Lite's intuitive dashboard. You can track inventory levels, process orders, and handle customer inquiries, all within a centralized platform. This simplifies administrative tasks and allows you to focus on other aspects of your business. The dashboard also provides basic sales analytics, offering insights into your performance and customer behavior. Shopify Lite offers a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to expand their sales channels. It provides the essential tools for selling online without the commitment and expense of a full online store. Whether you're selling a few handcrafted items, offering digital services, or simply want to add a purchase option to your existing blog, Shopify Lite can be a powerful tool to enhance your sales efforts and grow your business. This simplified approach to e-commerce makes it a particularly attractive option for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to establish an online presence. Be sure to explore the link in the description for the latest pricing and features offered by Shopify Lite.